What real estate means to me is putting my friends, my family members, anybody that I'm being referred to, the right place, the right spot. I'm not here for the now, I'm here for the long term. Most recently, I helped a client move from Pembroke Pines now down to the Miami Edgewater area. He knows more than 1,000 realtors here in South Florida. And what's crazy about it is he picked me because he knew I can get the job done. Got them to move 10 minutes away from their current job. Like that, they like that all the amenities are here. For me, I had a better experience, like a more fun experience than my clients. That was awesome. Like, to be honest with you, what I like about it, it's a long-term relationship. I'm always there with them through their whole process. We got to make this like a Picasso painting. We have to paint the perfect picture on this contract. And what I like about it, 99% of my offers always get accepted. You want to get a realtor that you can call at 2 in the morning to submit an offer to get the job done? Call me. My name is Terrel, and I help people find their spot.